Millions of car owners are completely clueless about the hidden features inside their vehicles. But here's the shocking truth. One small feature could literally save you from a $3,000 mistake. And chances are, you're driving every day while ignoring tools that could protect your car, your safety, and your wallet. So today, we're diving into 18 mind-blowing hidden car features you absolutely need to know. Don't skip ahead, each one gets more useful than the last. Before we start, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel because these kinds of tips can literally save you thousands. Let's start. Secret number 18, windshield wiper service mode. Imagine this. You park your car overnight during an ice storm, or you're about to go through an automatic car wash. Your wipers are sitting flat on the windshield, completely vulnerable. But here's what most people don't know. Many modern cars have a hidden wiper service mode that lifts the blades into a vertical position. Here's how it works. Turn off your engine, and within 10 seconds, push the wiper stalk down once. Suddenly, your wipers move up and stay there, like they're ready for inspection. Why does this matter? Because frozen wipers can stick to the glass, and when you turn them on, the motor can burn out instantly, costing you $200 to $400. Even better, this mode makes changing wiper blades super easy and prevents accidental scratches on your windshield. Secret number 17, seatbelt energy management loop. Take a look at your seatbelt. See that stitched loop near the buckle? Most people ignore it, but that loop could save your life. It's designed to tear during a high-impact crash. This controlled tearing absorbs energy and reduces the force on your chest. Without it, the belt would stop your body too suddenly, causing serious internal injuries. But here's the catch. Once that loop tears, the entire seatbelt must be replaced, even if it looks fine. Secret number 16, hidden battery saver mode. Ever left your lights on and worried about a dead battery? Your car might already be protecting you. Most modern vehicles automatically shut off power after 10 to 30 minutes when the engine is off. Some even monitor battery voltage in real time and disable non-essential features like heated seats or radio just to make sure your car still starts. Secret number 15, secret auto lock trick. Ever walked away from your car and wondered, did I lock it? Here's a trick. Press and hold the lock button on your door for about 3 seconds before exiting. Now, when you close the door, your car locks itself automatically. Some models even fold mirrors, roll up windows, flash lights, or honk for confirmation. Perfect when your hands are full. Secret number 14, windshield washer nozzle adjustment. If your washer fluid sprays too high or too low, don't go to a mechanic. Just use a pin or needle. Insert it gently into the nozzle and adjust the direction. In 10 seconds, your spray will hit exactly where it should. Secret number 13, grocery hooks in the trunk. Your groceries keep tipping over? Look inside your trunk. You'll find hidden hooks designed to hold bags upright. Use them for food bags, gym gear, toolboxes, even dry cleaning. Simple feature, huge difference. Secret number 12, tire pressure fill alert. Some cars actually tell you when your tire pressure is perfect. Turn ignition on, start filling air, and your car will flash hazard lights while monitoring, honk when PSI is correct, warn you if you overfill. No guessing, no stress. Secret number 11, battery reset ignition trick. Car acting weird? Try this before going to a mechanic. Turn key to accessory mode, hold for 30 seconds, turn off, start normally. This resets your ECU and clears temporary glitches. If you're finding these tips useful, don't forget to like and subscribe so you never miss money-saving car hacks like these. Secret number 10, emergency fuel door release. Dead battery and fuel door won't open? Check your trunk. There's usually a hidden manual release cable. Pull it, and your fuel door opens instantly. Secret number 9, hidden drainage system. Those vents near your windshield? They're not decoration. They remove water, leaves, and debris. If clogged, they can cause rust, bad smells, electrical damage. Clean them regularly. It takes 5 minutes. Secret number 8, seatbelt height adjustment. That slider on your seatbelt, it adjusts height. If it's wrong,
Too high equals neck injury risk, too low slips off your shoulder. Take 5 seconds and fix it. Secret number 7, glove box cooling vent. Your glove box might be a mini fridge. Check for a small AC vent inside. Use it to keep drinks cold, chocolate safe, medicine protected. Most people never use it. Secret number 6, gas pedal reset trick. Car feels sluggish? Try this. Turn ignition on, don't start. Press gas pedal fully for 10 seconds. Turn off, wait 30 seconds, start car. This resets your throttle response. Secret number 5, cabin air filter replacement. Your AC smells bad? It's probably the cabin filter. Replace it yourself. It takes 5 minutes, costs $15. Shops charge $50 plus, usually behind the glove box. Secret number 4, brake drying feature. Driving in rain? Your car might be drying brakes automatically. It applies tiny pressure to remove water, keeping braking performance strong. You don't even notice it. Secret number 3, auto hold button. Hate rolling backwards on hills? Press the auto hold button. It keeps your brakes engaged until you press the gas. Perfect for traffic, hills, beginners. Secret number 2, free remote start. Manufacturers charge monthly for remote start, but your key fob might already have it. Try this. Press lock twice, hold on the third press, boom, engine starts. No subscription needed. Secret number 1, auto tilt side mirror. Reverse parking made easy. When you shift into reverse, your mirror can tilt down automatically. It shows curbs, parking lines, rear wheels, prevents expensive scratches. So tell me, which of these shocked you the most? And more importantly, how many of these features were sitting in your car this whole time unused? If this video helped you even a little bit, make sure to like and subscribe and turn on notifications, because the next video might save you even more money. Because once you start using them, you're not just driving smarter, you're saving money, preventing damage, and staying safer every single day. Stay tuned, because there are even more hidden car secrets you haven't discovered yet.